If you're considering Flexiroam for international travel, stick around, because we'll break down everything you need to know and what the competition might offer instead. First, Flexiroam eSIMs are compatible with many devices, but not all. Before purchasing, double-check that your phone supports eSIMs and is compatible with Flexiroam. Some travelers have faced issues setting it up on older devices, unlike competitors like Airalo, which tends to have broader compatibility. Next thing, the activation process can be tricky. Flexiroam's app guides you step by step, but some users report delays when switching between networks. If you're pressed for time or have a tight connection, this could be frustrating. The third thing to know, coverage. Flexiroam boasts global coverage in over 150 countries, but the strength of their network varies by region. For example, in remote areas, competitors like Holafly often provide more reliable data connections. Another key point, Flexiroam lets you keep your existing number while using their eSIM for data. This is a great feature, but similar options are available with other providers, often at a lower cost. The fifth thing is about pricing. Flexiroam offers flexible plans, from pay-as-you-go to monthly subscriptions. However, their per GB cost can be higher than Airalo or other eSIMs, especially for frequent travelers or those visiting multiple countries. Moving on, rollover data is a perk. Unused data can roll over if you recharge before your plan expires, which some competitors don't offer. However, this benefit only applies if you're consistently topping up your plan. Seventh, customer support. Flexiroam offers 24/7 assistance, but users have mixed experiences. Some report prompt resolutions, while others face delays. Comparatively, providers like Airalo often get better reviews for responsiveness. Next thing, multi-country plans. Flexiroam has extensive options, but their pricing for regions like Europe can be higher compared to regional bundles from other eSIM providers. Ninth, app functionality. The Flexiroam app is user-friendly, offering real-time data tracking and recharge options. While it works well, some users find apps like Nomad slightly more intuitive with better design. 10th, network speed. While Flexiroam generally provides fast 4G speeds, network performance depends heavily on the country and local carriers. Some competitors partner with stronger carriers in specific regions, leading to faster and more stable connections. Next thing, flexibility. Flexiroam lets you share your data with friends and family using their app, which is a unique feature. However, this may not justify the higher price tag if you're traveling solo. Finally, refunds and guarantees. Flexiroam doesn't typically offer refunds, even for unused data. Other providers, like Airalo, may have more lenient policies if something goes wrong. In summary, Flexiroam is a decent option for international travel, especially if you value global coverage and flexible plans. But it's not always the best in terms of cost or network reliability. If you want a better solution that's easier to set up, more affordable, and comes with better customer support, check out our recommended option, which you can try for free.